How to fix trouble signing in on Stripe. Signing in into Stripe is essential to manage our payments, payouts, and customers. So if we can't sign in, we could miss transactions or delay our business operations. So let's fix it. So we can start by going over to Stripe and heading over to the sign in page first. So within this interface, look out for the sign in button, tap on it, and head over to the sign in page first. And then once we do so within this space right here in this email box, make sure we are using the correct email. You can double check for your typos and caps lock. And if you're unsure, you can tap on this option called forgot your password and reset it. And just go over and do so. Sometimes it may ask for two-step verification. So you can enter the code sent to your email or the authenticator application and log in into your account. If not that, we can clear out the Caucasian cache. So you can hold it up and go to their info, and once we are into the info of the application, we need to scroll down, go to the storage, and tap on this option called clear cache. If that does not work, we can tap on clear data and clear out the data as well. And if not this, we can disable a VPN or proxy as well. If you have turned on, and you can turn them off because it may block sign-ins from the unusual location sometimes. And apart from that, if you're still unable to sign in, what we need to do is we can connect the Stripe support. You can choose trouble signing in option and then submit a request with your account email. And while doing so, you need to use a secure and stable internet connection and avoid signing in from multiple devices at once. And also enable two-factor authentication for future security, and that should work out for you, and that should probably fix the trouble signing in on your Stripe. And that's it. So usually those are probably the method you can follow up for now to fix that issue. So we hope this video was helpful to you. Ensure to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.